As an electrician, you are used to meeting the constantly growing demands of your customers, especially today when buildings and technology are more connected than ever. In addition to classic intercom systems, more and more building owners also expect modern IP solutions. That is why we at TCS have developed a simple tool for you, Snipdoo. Snipdoo is the simple and smart way to install IP systems in every building, without a doctorate in computer science. Our system consists of a local server, our software Snipdoo system, and our app. The local server manages up to 150 residential units, from the entrance door to the floor access to the actual apartment. With the help of our software Snipdoo system, the configuration can be done quickly and clearly using drag and drop. The combination of local server and coded cloud offers maximum flexibility and security. And it remains functional even if the internet fails. Commissioning and maintenance are also easy and time-saving. And the residents will love our app Snipdoo Home. With it, you can select yourself who gets access to your apartment without having to worry about property management or an electrician. Simply by QR code. And of course, you can open the door remotely when the doorbell rings, and even completely independent of your location. Get in touch with us and learn more about Snipdoo from TCS today.